Chris Borson, Senior Vice President of KOU Global Customer Group.
Thank you, Yves, and hello, everyone. Today, I will give you an update on our service and data analytics businesses. As part of KOU's recurring revenue, the service business includes the supply of spares, device kits, instrumentation board repairs, and service contracts for our large installed base of systems. More recently, we started offering a software product called DI Core for data intelligence and analytics. The value proposition for both services and DI Core is enabling customers to improve equipment uptime, resulting in higher production output per system. Based on inputs from customers, the annual value of 1% higher uptime ranges from $10,000 to $400,000 per test cell. The $10,000 estimate is based on cost avoidance. However, because many of our customers can be capacity constrained, the $400,000 estimate is the value of lost revenue, as customers may lose market share in the short term because they cannot easily add capacity. These estimates, of course, will vary by customer. Referring to the left-hand side of the page, we plan to grow the spares and board repair business with a continuously expanding global equipment fleet, which currently stands at approximately 23,500 systems, and by promoting better spares management to customers with below average uptime. Services is an attractive part of KOU's portfolio. It is stable, growing year on year, and delivers attractive gross margins of 50% plus. It represents the large, non-CapEx dependent part of KOU's business, along with the interface business that Devin Sheridan described. On the right-hand side of the chart, I cover data analytics with KOU's DI Core software products. These software products provide customers the ability to monitor their equipment and proactively correct anomalies. KOU's opportunity is to leverage the large installed base of equipment into a stable and highly profitable revenue stream by selling software licenses and subscriptions for functionality that will deliver greater equipment uptime and output. DI Core is an umbrella name for KOU's suite of software products focused on increasing equipment uptime and production output. The first product, called Insight, is outlined on the left-hand side of the page. Insight is available today and deployed with multiple customers. The key features include online monitoring of equipment in production, central management of equipment applications, and alarm reporting. Customers invest in Insight to increase productivity, but also to reduce the cost of managing the test floor. On the right-hand side of the page, you will see another product called PDM software. PDM is an industry acronym for predictive maintenance. This is a new product from KOU that is currently undergoing beta evaluation with lead customers. To predict the useful life of critical components, KOU's predictive maintenance software is a condition-based monitoring product that tracks several equipment parameters, making use of sensors available on our machines. Roadmap functionality will include machine learning computation. In real time, the software provides information to customers, enabling proactive replacement of components and correction of anomalies. Like Insight, the value proposition of predictive maintenance is to reduce downtime and therefore increase uptime and productivity of our customers' installed base of equipment. To provide an understanding of the value of KOU's predictive maintenance software, on this page I cover two use cases. These show results of the most recent beta evaluations with lead customers. The first outlines real-time tracking of thermal performance. As background, KOU's automation systems enable testing at extreme temperatures, including down to minus 45 degrees Celsius as shown. In normal production, anomalies can cause the testing temperature to be out of range. Today, the equipment detects these and disables those sites affected. This situation can continue for several days or longer until corrected by a service technician. The result is a loss of output during those days when the equipment is waiting for a service technician to be scheduled. DI Core will detect this and send an alert, enabling an immediate fix, thereby increasing output. In the case study shown, the test cell running under DI Core monitoring could deliver approximately 4% higher productivity. The lower example shows degradation of component functionality. In this case, we are tracking the time to pick up a device with vacuum. Using statistics and analysis, we track the performance and determine which component is degrading, enabling customers to replace and avoid reduced output. To summarize, these examples show significant productivity gains. Based on the value estimates for a % gain in uptime that I discussed on the previous slide, it is easy to understand why customers are interested to implement the DI Core software suite in their fleet of Kohu equipment. Now that I have covered the specifics of Kohu's data analytics with DI Core, I want to put this in perspective with the broader market opportunity. As shown by the diagram on the left, predictive maintenance is a large and growing market. According to market research, the opportunity for predictive maintenance software as part of the global manufacturing industry is sized at $1 billion and growing at 20% compound annual growth rate. My point here is that by developing products and expertise with our semiconductor customers, this will enable Kohu to look for adjacencies where we can apply our accumulated knowledge to further expand a high-value and high-margin software business. In conclusion, we are excited about the contribution that the services and data analytics businesses are having on Kohu's P&L. Both add significant value to our customers' operations, increase differentiation for our systems businesses, and add to Kohu's stable recurring revenue at attractive margins. Also, over time, the expansion into data analytics offers new greenfield opportunities to expand the business by leveraging the deep understanding we have of the thousands of systems installed at Kohu customers globally. Thank you for your time, and next you will hear from Jeff Jones, our CFO.